Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Descript for auto captions to Premiere Pro. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Pro and load your project. Select the sequence you want to add captions to. Ensure your video is properly edited and ready for captioning. Export the sequence by navigating to File, then Export, and choose Media. In the export settings, locate the Format dropdown and select MWV or MP4. Choose a location on your computer to save the exported file. Click on the Export button to begin the process. Once exporting is complete, open Descript. Create a new project by clicking on New Project. Import the exported video file by dragging it into Descript or using the Import option. Descript will process the video and automatically generate a transcript. Review the transcript for accuracy and make any necessary adjustments. Once satisfied, navigate to the Export tab in Descript. Select the option for captions in the export settings. Choose the preferred caption format, such as SRT or VTT. Click on the Export button to save the captions to your computer. Return to Adobe Premiere Pro. In your sequence, go to File, then Import. Locate the caption file you exported from Descript and select it. Click on the Open button to import the captions into Premiere Pro. Drag the imported caption file onto your timeline, aligning it with your video. Adjust the timing of the captions as needed to fit the video. Preview your video to ensure the captions display correctly. Make any final adjustments to improve readability or positioning. Finally, export your finished video with captions by navigating to File, then Export, and selecting Media again. Choose your settings and click Export to complete the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.